everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. We have some really exciting announcements to make. We are going to be releasing our new premium features coming very soon, and there's a lot of really exciting things in here that have been highly requested. First of all, one of the things that we added was a new calendar feature. So on here, you're going to be able to, at a quick glance, just look through and see when you can plant different plants that you have in your in the garden, and also new custom plants as well. So we added some new plants as well, but you'll also see an area for adding your own custom plants. And in this area too, if you put in dates, it'll show up on the calendar feature too. So it can be all of the information that you put in, as much or as little as you have, and you'll have your own custom plant. And then also the My Garden section has been completely rewritten. So in that area, you'll notice that it feels a whole lot more smooth, as well as it will work better if you are out in the garden in areas that you don't necessarily have internet reception or anything like that. So you should be able to have complete workability with it when it is offline now. And then one of the things that I'm really excited about is the new grouping feature in the My Garden section. So before, because I had so many different plants in my garden and a lot of different broccolis, they would all list on, back to back on that list in my garden. Well, now you have an option that you can look at it from there, or you can do in a new grouped view, which shows just the plants that you have, and you go through and you'll select the plants and then it'll pull up the multiples that you have. So I really like that, and I hope you guys do too. There's also a bunch of new filters too that will be helping you sort through your garden. We have so many amazing new things coming in this new version of the app. I'm very excited for y'all to check it out. And if you are interested in helping us test it and giving feedback on where you think might be better, or testing the new features and all that and getting a sneak peek, let me know. You can message down, you can comment down below on this YouTube video, or you can email us at support@seedtospoon.net, and we would love to get you set up with the new version and help us test it out. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to hearing from each of you and seeing what you think of the new features coming out. See y'all.